everyone, it's Jean from the Inky Owl Studio. Thanks so much for stopping by for a few minutes and looking through my journal share and Etsy restock. If you saw my past videos, you'll know that I've been working on this cat journal for a little while. And this is an old book. The book is the 1952 publishing date on it. So it's definitely been around for a while, and you can tell it's quite aged. I have put metal end caps here on the edges because, I felt like they were beginning to fray just a little bit. And, that way I know they'll stay secure for you. Here is a little cat charm, and the closure is a sari silk ribbon. I have put lots of ribbon on here, and it's probably more than what you may even want. So it can be cut off and cut down to the size that the new owner wants to make them. I have in here vintage lace and a vintage doily and a vintage button. Oh, cute. So cute. And these lovely graphics are from Calico Collage. And she has this beautiful cat digikit. Just absolutely love it. It's called Lovable Kittens. And this is a lace here that I've glued on the back. Through here. So the spine has been very reinforced. It's been reinforced with Tyvek. It's got the lace on the back there. It has even cloth here as I put the signatures in, so that it's a hidden signature. So there's no threads here showing. So it has like these three layers that should really make that spine be very, very well secured. Inside, of course, is the little pocket. A little journaling card from the Graphics Fairy. And isn't that just so sweet? It's so sweet. I absolutely love this kit. And got tea-dyed paper in here. Here is that fabric tag that I did in a video not too long ago. And here are the snippet tabs that I also did on a different video. So it's cloth with these snippets of vintage lace on the edges there. This can be either a bookmark or a journaling card. A little bit of cloth, snippet of lace up there. I put in some pages from the book. Thought that would be good to give honor to the book, right? Beautiful. So it's very shabby chic. This is the middle of the first signature, and I have put a charm on the ties. If this is in your way, you can cut this off without worrying about the stitching, but I thought it was kind of cute. Kind of put that on there. Here's a little envelope. A little card inside that. So a lot of these pieces of ephemera I've clipped in with paper clips because I felt like the new owner can glue them where she'd like to glue them. Here's a little kitties playing music. I thought that'd be so cute in the music page. But it's a little envelope that can be, put somewhere if you want to. So that's why these are clipped in. Another piece of snippet there. Here's a tuck spot. This is the original library card holder sleeve that was put into the book. I know it's not from the 50s, but it still is. This has been typed by somebody's typewriter, so it's it's up there in age, I'm sure. I put a little bit of cloth on here and sewed around this little piece, little tuck spot here with a little piece of netting. Thought that was kind of cute and fun. Oh, isn't that lovely? So lovely. So this is the second signature. Here is a place that you can store some photographs or ephemera of your own in there. There's a little girl with a kitty and a little journaling slip of paper there. This is actually from the book, this graphic here, and this paper was inside the book, so I thought, well, I should really save that. And a little piece of vintage lace there. Another page from the book. There's some lovely flowers. A paper bag. Another little journaling card and some vintage lace there. This is the middle of this signature, and I put in a cat there. Just such gorgeous, gorgeous graphics. This little cat's so funny. There we go. And there's the other. This is the Graphics Fairy piece of graphics there. I'll put that in there. Another cloth covered tag that I made, and then put a little bit of scrunchie with a little button up there. I think I've added that since I did the video. This is from the Graphics Fairy. So fun. And the last signature here. Here's another sleeve that you can glue somewhere or not. With a little journaling card, and I've sewn around it there. Another little card in there. This is an old vintage learning how to do your printing. I thought C would be really nice for the cat theme. This is a little envelope that comes with the DigiKit here, along with a little journaling card on the inside. So pretty. Paper doily. The middle of this signature. This is the same girl but a different pose with her little kitten. So pretty. Just kept thinking, what a nice place to put pictures of your cat, if you have any. And here's a little notepad inside this glassine bag. I'll put that in later. It's a belly band. What a lovely gift this would be to somebody who loves cats, for sure. Here's a 1904 vintage Bunko card, I guess, from the Graphics Fairy there. A little bit of vintage lace. This is from the kit. Just fussy cut that and put that on that page, so that was so darling. And we come to the back, and there is a library pocket with a library card that comes from the kit. And so there you go. That is the journal, and I appreciate you viewing this, and I hope that it gave you some inspiration. And if you like cats, you really should go and check out Calico Collage, and I will put her link down below so that you can do that. So I really appreciate you viewing. I will say, just to add on to what I'm working on next, is I am working on kind of a spring traveler's notebook journal, and I'm going to be emphasizing this beautiful lavender. It's in the kit. It's a Tracy Fox kit. It's very soft, very pastel. I think you'll really enjoy it, especially if you like lavender. And I've chosen lavender thread to actually put around on the outside. So this is cloth covered as well. This is a cloth that kind of looks like mulberry paper, doesn't it? Really very interesting. I've had it in my stash for a while, but I thought, oh, this will go so nice here. So anyways, that's what I'm going to be working on next, and stay tuned for how I progress on that. And please subscribe down below so we can meet up again in the future. I did also want to add that I will be listing my cat journal on the 25th in the morning, a Tuesday morning. This video should be going out in the afternoon, the 24th, so it takes a while for me to photo and get it all up there on Etsy shop. So it'll be there Tuesday morning on the 25th. So I just thought I would add that. Thanks again for watching. We'll talk to you later. Bye.